Good morning guys, in front of me Samsung Galaxy A30s, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. First of all, open the settings, then go to Accounts and Backup. Here click on Backup Data under Google Drive. And here mark information that you wish to backup. So if you want to backup everything, just mark photos and videos, and then other device data like contacts, call history, device settings, apps and app data, and messages. Then click on Confirm. Click on Manage Backup. And that's it. As you can see, Backup by Google One is active, and it will be done automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. If you want to make backup right now, just mark Backup Now. This is it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.